The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County, Michigan. Effective until 8:20 a.m., the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County in southwestern Michigan until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pawpaw Lake, or 9 miles south of South Haven, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pawpaw, Hartford, Matawan, Lawton, Bangor, Van Buren SP, Pine Grove, Covert, Lawrence, Gobles, Breedsville, Glendale, Kendall, South Haven area. Reg. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.